my biggest obstacle was to get in real estate school and to get this real estate license. And so I actually started taking classes when I was in Georgia, and I was on a payment plan. I'll never forget this. I talked the school into letting me get on a payment plan for my real estate classes, and I couldn't make the second payment. Like, I made the first one. I had a little student loan money left over, but I couldn't make the second payment, and I had to drop out. And the guy, I'll never forget this. He actually said to me, he was like, "You're not coming back, and you're not gonna do this." And you know, it was something about those words that like really just hit me, because I kind of laughed it off, and I was like, you know,
oh, we're fine.
yeah. I just kind of laughed it off, but you know, in the back of my head, I was kind of like, dang, he might be right. But then the other side of me is like, I don't want him to be right. And so I literally just started doing odd jobs. I ended up getting a job with the cell phone company where I was selling cell phones, talking people into buying expensive phone plans and expensive phones and signing these contracts, and that's what I was doing. And I think honestly that's where I learned how to sell at, to be honest with you. So it was a great time, but I had to do that for maybe around 2 years. So finally I was able to kind of pick back up where I left off. And yeah, I took my courses, but I wanted to start fresh. You know, I was so embarrassed. I didn't know anything about real estate, but I was so embarrassed that I didn't want to go back to that school that I had to drop out of. And so I went to a different real estate school. I was in a totally different state at this time because I wanted to change my life, and moving to Texas was going to be that life-changing thing. And so I just hopped right on it once I got here.